It started in about year 9, I think. It wasn't as bad, and then like towards the end of year 9, that's when it got really bad. I was upset, I was self-conscious, like at school I just kept my head down and I used to kind of just try and cover it up as much as I could. I don't know, I think I just lost a lot of confidence, like it made me a lot shyer.
From the very beginning, before anything happened and she was just a normal teenager, she was confident, she was cocky, she was sassy, all of those things. And then overnight, she just went into her shell. She also was quite moody, to say the least. And it was her way of taking out her frustrations on us. And I totally get it. I understand. If you're not happy in yourself, you're not happy.
It was affecting my mental health and like how, like even school again. There was days where I was crying, I didn't want to go to school, and it was hard for her because she couldn't do anything, like she couldn't fix it for me.
She obviously, wanted to find some sort of solution to help her. It was not really something that you could find that would work.
It was just hard because like everything I did, nothing worked. You read online home remedies, like what people do, like everything works for them, but nothing was working for me. I've tried a lot of products like over the years that I've struggled with it, like anything you could name. All the cleansers, the creams, the blemish creams, the overnight creams, the masks, like everything I've tried, and I've spent a fortune on it and nothing has seemed to work. It's just seemed to make everything worse. Yeah.
Well, I had heard about Dermapen World and obviously did a little bit of research on it, and then we were able to have a series of treatments.
After my first treatment, I was like wow, like something's actually working finally. And it was just so good after like my other treatments because nothing had worked, and I was seeing improvements after the first treatment, which was amazing.
They obviously looked at her skin and then all told us what the procedure would be and what she should expect the Dermapen to feel like.
Which it surprisingly didn't hurt. It was a bit of pressure on your face. Literally after like an hour after the first treatment, I was like, okay, like this is working already. It was amazing. And I was noticing, because I had like bunches of acne everywhere, I was noticing like that some of them were slowly disappearing, and like I was kind of drying up a bit. The acne was gone, like it wasn't as red, it wasn't as flame, like it had gone down a lot. To see it work so quickly, it was amazing.
I think the Dermapen in itself was the secret behind it all, and obviously then the product. I do feel that in following the correct steps, that certainly was what led her on the track of recovery, yeah.
I noticed that like on my phone I was taking so many selfies like of my skin every day. I was like doing like little progress photos, and when I had a good day I was kind of like saving it and like very excited. I was sending photos to mum. Look, like it's all gone, like that sort of thing. And I noticed that I was comfortable to go out like in public without makeup and not keep my head down. Like I was happy with how I looked. I was confident. I was happy to be around like people without feeling judged and that sort of stuff. And I just felt more attractive and just like more like myself, which was really, really good.
I truly believe that it would be the only avenue to go down, and that you really need to go and get advice, find out about where or how you can have the treatments. Even adults still get acne, so it's never too late. But as a parent, knowing that Sammy being, only a teenager at the time, we needed to get the treatment. We really needed to get the treatment, and I would not hesitate in recommending that that's the only way to go.